hours, I think. And I'm currently on my night shift, midnight to 4 a.m. I am unfortunately not sailing, I am motoring. Why am I motoring? There's okay winds, but it's right at our back, which makes it really hard to kind of keep steady. And to be honest with you, I'm really not a good sailor, so it makes it really hard for Eric to get sleep, and we really need to have a skipper who's had his sleep.
Look what mommy made us, Gona. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
7:06, leaving Avila Beach, St. Louis Obispo, inbound St-Miguel in the Channel Island. So we have a nice sunrise, I should say. And this is St. Louis Obispo. So we're almost at Point Argelo. We've been sailing since 7 this morning, and now it's, I don't know, I can't check on my phone. We're fine. We're going between around 5 knots. How fast are we going right now? 5.5 or something. So hopefully you're gonna be in St-Miguel in the Channel Islands before 12 midnight. So that's what we're hoping for. And meet your friend Elena and John Shamata. I think they were expecting to be there around 6. So this is what life looks like right now. Okay, we'll show you what it looks like when you're cooking on the stove on their way. It's pretty calm, but will you make it, Karoline? Oh yeah.
I've seen the gimbal earlier, it was going like wee wah, wee wah, wee wah. And I'm like, oh my god!
Too hot for the board. Probably catch tuna. I haven't caught anything with it, but he guaranteed that we will, so hopefully we'll be lucky soon. Getting hungry for tuna. Especially Kona. Look how sad she looks. In the next episode, we finally pass Point Conception. We do landfall to the Channel Islands, and Ellen's luck strike again. Thank you so much for all the patrons to make this adventure possible. Please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.